It's caught on camera, terrifying moments on the 118 freeway when a car violently flips over. Check this out. Keep your eye on the white truck in the middle of your screen. Its left front tire comes loose suddenly, shoots across a lane, rolls underneath the black Kia Soul, and that sends it flying into the air as you just saw, landing on its roof, then rolling onto its wheels. That loose tire still rolling down the freeway hits the back of the Kia and then take another look. It's crazy, like a stunt that was set up for a movie. This happened Thursday on the 118 freeway near the DeSoto exit in Chatsworth. Dashcam footage captured all of this. I spoke to CHP earlier. They said amazingly the driver of that small car suffered only minor injuries and no arrests were made. They also mentioned, and they're going to release more information on this tomorrow.